In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to pick a font size that's easy to read, and how to make those choices stick for every new email you write. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mailbox and calendar so all menus are available. Once it's open, look to the very top left and click File. This takes you to the Backstage area where app-wide preferences live, rather than settings for a specific message. From there, select Settings. Depending on your version, the wording and layout can look slightly different, but you're aiming for the place where you control how Outlook behaves overall. If you don't see settings right away, it's typically listed alongside other options, such as account info or general app preferences. Next, go to the Mail tab. This is where Outlook groups everything related to composing, sending, and reading messages. Staying within the Mail area keeps the changes focused on email, rather than affecting calendars or other features. Choose Compose and Reply. This section controls the default formatting for new messages and in many cases for replies and forwards as well. It's the single spot where you set how your text will look every time you start typing in a message window. Now choose your font, size, style, and color. Pick a font that's clean and widely supported, such as Calibri, Arial, or Helvetica, to make sure your emails look consistent on different devices. For size, aim for something comfortably readable. Many people prefer 11 or 12 for a compact look, while 13 or 14 can improve readability, especially on high-resolution screens. Use bold and italics sparingly to add emphasis without making your message hard to scan. For color, stick to high contrast options like black or dark grey on a light background so your emails are accessible and easy on the eyes. If there are separate fields for new messages and for replies/forwards, set both so your style stays consistent in every conversation. When you're satisfied, click Save. This applies your selections across Outlook so future messages follow your chosen formatting. These changes affect what you write, messages you receive won't be reformatted, and existing emails you've already sent won't be altered. That's it, you've updated your default Outlook font settings for clearer, more professional emails. If you ever need to adjust them again, just return to the same place and fine-tune your choices. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.